Dice Monkey Slim. Dice Monkey Slim Flex. A-Nation Afrofusion. G5 One, brother. Yeah.
Shake that body, girl. Girl, shake on for me, yeah. Girl, wind up for me, yeah. Girl, shake on for me, yeah. Put your wife on me. Me love how you do that thing, oh yeah. Welcome to Ghana, where you know every day the summer. We the party, we don't want the drama. If you want drama, go see your nana. Gonna girl them do the azonto. Girl, wind up your body slow. Girl, wind up for me, yeah. Girl, shake on for me, yeah. Put your wife on me. Me love how you do your thing. Put your wife on me. Me love how you do your thing, oh yeah. If you feeling the beat, go wind up for me, yeah. If you feeling the beat, go down low and wind up for me, yeah. Girl, shake everybody, girl. Girl, move everybody, girl. Me love how you shake that body, girl. Girl, shake up for me, yeah. Girl, wind up for me, yeah. Girl, shake up for me, yeah. Put your wife on me. Me love how you do that thing, oh yeah. Oh, wind up slow, me baby. Your body got me going crazy. So go down low, me baby. And check out Joe, me lady. Oh, wine I'm slow, me baby. Your body got me going crazy. So go down low, me lady. And check out Joe. Girl, balance and wine up for me. Girl, let your body go. Girl, bring your body come to me. Cause you know I want it to. Money go bend down low, go down slow. Come to the front and wine on the baseline. Bend down low, go down slow. Come to the front and wine on the baseline. Girl, shake everybody, girl. Girl, move everybody, girl. Me love how you shake that body, girl. Girl, shake up for me, yeah. Girl, wind up for me, yeah. Girl, shake up for me, yeah. Put your wife on me. Me love how you do that thing, oh yeah. If you know, say you come here to party, turn it up, oh girl, don't worry. That monkey step up the party, and the sea and champagne pouring. Break it down, girl, roll it down, girl, let your body go. The way you move when you break it down, you make a man say, whoa. Break it down, girl, roll it down, girl, let your body go. The way you move when you break it down, you make a man say, whoa. Girl, shake everybody, girl. Girl, move everybody, girl. Me love how you shake that body, girl. Girl, shake up for me, yeah. Girl, wind up for me, yeah. Girl, shake up for me, yeah. Put your wife on me. Me love how you do that thing, oh yeah. Girl, shake everybody, girl. Girl, move everybody, girl.
Hi guys, so this is day 3 of the hair. I didn't touch it, so I am now gonna flat iron the front and complete this hair. Alright, I've already put conditioner and stuff in my hair already. I put the Got To Be Crazy Sleek what material flat iron and blow dry lotion on there. I also applied this serum, Sleek Look Matrix Essentials. I already applied some. I don't know, I might use a little bit more. Now, I don't use heat on my hair at all. I don't. Most of the time I put my hair in the threaded braid and that's it. I just move on to my next protective style. That's all I ever do to my hair. So when it comes to heat protectant and all those stuff, I ain't got much. This is what I bought some time back. And so yeah, that's what I applied to the hair, and you know, I don't even think I'm gonna put any more. I believe that's enough. And oh, recap, this is 1 pack of Expression hair cut into 4, and I pulled it a little bit just to get the feather ends. All right, that's it. That's all I have going on here. I'm not gonna make my hair bone straight because, like I said, I don't really use much heat on my hair, and also the expression here have some texture to it. I want my hair to blend in. I know it's not going to be 100%, but you know, at least I want it to blend in a little bit more. Alright, this is the flat iron I'm going to be using today. It is so old, but it will get the job done. I don't use too much heat, so it goes up to 30. I'm going to leave it on 10. If it's too high, I'll lower it before putting it on my hair.
Dice Monkey, Slim Flex, A-Nation, Afrofusion, G5 one brother. Yeah.
Shake that body, girl, shake up for me, yeah. Go wind up for me, yeah. Girl, shake up for me, yeah. Put your wife on me, me love how you do that thing, oh yeah. Welcome to Ghana, where you know every day be summer. We the party, we don't want the drama. If you want drama, go see your nana. Gonna girl them do the azonto. Go wind up your body slow. Go wind up for me, yeah. Girl, shake up for me, yeah. Put your wife on me, me love how you do your thing. Your wife and me love how you do your thing, oh yeah. If you feeling the beat, go wind up for me, yeah. If you feeling the beat, go down low and wind up for me, yeah.
Okay, so now to the length is pretty decent. The length is pretty decent. It's not going to be, but it's just the front that I might want to put in my habit.
Do me lady, wine I'm slow me baby. Your body got me going crazy, so go down low me lady. And get cardio, girl balance and wine up to me. Girl let your body go, girl bring your body come to me. Cause you know I want it to. Money go bend down low, go down slow. Come to the front and wine pan the baseline. Bend down low, go down slow. Come to the front and wine pan the baseline. Girl shake everybody go, girl move everybody go. Me love how you shake that body go. Girl shake up for me, yeah. Go wind up for me, yeah. Girl shake up for me, yeah. Put your wife on me, me love how you do that thing, oh yeah. If you know say you come here to party, turn it up, oh girl, don't worry. That monkey step up the party, and the sea and champagne pouring. Break it down, girl, roll it down, girl, let your body go. The way you move when you break it down, you make a man say whoa. Break it down, girl, roll it down, girl, let your body go. The way you move when you break it down, you make a man say whoa.
Okay guys, thumbs up the video, comment if you have any questions, you know, just leave your comment below, and subscribe if you haven't. Alright, thank you guys for watching, see you next time.